Hi, I'm Nancy, Pampered with Diamonds, and I have the last canvas of the D-Stash. Just kidding, it's not the last one. I have another one after this one that I just remembered about. I can't forget that one. All right, guys. This one I know you've all been waiting for. You're going to fight over it, I know. Really? I can't wait to hear what offers I get for this one. Are you ready? Are you ready, Freddie? All right. You ready? Laa Laa. I know you're all going to be fighting over this one. So this one was actually my very first purchase of diamond art from Diamond Art Club. And I'm going to make a copy because the stickers are kind of all coming off. And this way, if they get any further messed up, you have a copy. I have not opened this at all. So I was not happy when I saw Laa Laa. So yeah. So this one for the stats is 14 colors, 2 fairy dust, and 1 electro diamond. You know, guys, this might be worth it just for the electro diamond. I'm just saying. This has 19,008. 19,008 diamonds. This probably would have been a good one for them to do like a partial of, but yeah. So let's see. All right, this is about your warranty, which is, well, this is a thank you, and it's about a warranty, but your warranty's no good. It is no good here. So if you have any problems when you get it, you just email me. If you're missing a color or something, but I'm going to check. I will check. Well, the pen has come out. That's why. Toolkit's open. All right. Oh, okay. Here we go. There's more in here. I thought there was supposed to be a cover minder in here. There is. So guys, I will find a cover minder and include it. It's supposed to be a cover minder in here. Here's your little sticker. Oh, look how that used to come. How nice. All the supplies in a baggie. No baggies, though. Is there supposed to be baggies? Let me see. Nope. No baggies, but it says you're supposed to have tweezers. So, let's see if I have a pair of tweezers. I do. Here's a pair of tweezers. And I will have to locate a cover minder. I thought I had one in here. Yep, I do. I will include a seashell cover minder. So there you go. And I will put the sticker in there. Don't forget, I'm going to make a copy. Here is your pen, which comes right out. So we'll put it on the other side. Do I have? I do. Let me take this shut. Okay. All right. So here's your big sticker. Oh, it's actually not a bad looking canvas. But you have to like Teletubbies. And this does not have perforated paper. This is an old one. The glue is still great. So you've got no ABs. You've got 1K, that must be the electrode drill, and then 2 fairy dust. So I have not opened this, guys, but it looks like it's already been gone through. All right. Let's see if here's 7. That's one of the fairy dust right there. That's the fairy dust. Oh. Okay, I see it. Very little 310. And there's your electro diamond right there. Do you see that? Not many, but there's your electro diamond. All right, where's the other fairy dust? Where are you hiding out? Oh, I think I found it. Pretty colors, though. I mean, if you're looking for extra diamonds, this is a good way to get your extra diamonds. Look at all those fairy dust right there. Z907. Yep, and Z743. So the 743 is all going to be these green dots. The green dots all around him. And then the 743 fairy dust is going to be the outline of Laa Laa. That'll be the other fairy dust. And the electro diamonds are going to be in his eyes. Oh, they're going to be in his eyes, guys. Nice-ish. Yeah. You know, guys. I like those diamonds. And I don't know if I would like them in his eyes. So maybe you could put them, maybe if there's enough, you can put them on the outline of the green dots maybe, or a little circle in each dot. I don't know about putting them in his eyes, though. You let me know what you think. It would be kind of creepy, but then again, you are talking about Teletubbies, so, I mean, yeah. So, if you want some spare drills, think of it that way. A lot of pretty colors for spare drills. So let me know if you want it. Make me an offer. Don't only think about it as a kit. Unless Laa Laa is someone you've been looking for, then by all means, jump on this. Email me, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. This is, yeah, the stick is really good for an old, well, I shouldn't say old. Let's see. I bought it in June, I think, of 2024. I got it as a mystery box because I did not know any better. So yeah. If this is what you've been wanting and waiting for, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com, guys. See, here it is. It's not that big. It is a 13 by 14. And if you multi-place, you can knock this right out. And lickety-split timing. Maybe you know a child that you would give it to. So think about that. Don't just think of you. Who could you give it to? Okay, guys, I'm Pampered with Diamonds. I'm out of here, and I have one more D-Stash video to do. So stay tuned and be kind to everyone. Everyone.